Today I am going to share crispy vegetables crepes roll recipe. Crepe batter preparation. Flour 1 cup. 2 eggs. Milk 1.5 cup. Mix very well. Salt to taste. Mix. Water, a half cup. Perfect consistency. Rest for 30 minutes. Flour, a third cup. Salt. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. Water as required. Mix. Leave aside. We going to use later. Oil, a quarter cup. Onion, a half cup. Fry few seconds. Ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each. Stir. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder, a half teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Green chili, 2 tablespoons. Stir and fry. Little bit water. Saute 2 minutes. Shredded carrots, 1 cup. Mix. Cabbage, 2.5 cup. Mix. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Cook 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Slice onion, a half cup. Stir and mix. Coriander leaf, 2 tablespoons. Cornstarch, surely. Mix. Done. Let it cool down. Time to make a crepes. Brush oil in a pan. Crepe batter as required. Follow the steps. Cook 1 minute. Flip. Done. Cooked vegetable as required. Roll up. Making another one. All done. Flour batter we made earlier. Crepe roll deep with flour mixture. Shake excess. Breadcrumbs. Done. Refrigerator for 10 minutes, then fry. Fry. Flip. Fry until golden brown and crispy. Done. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.